I was walking through Target and I seen the as seen on TV section and the DermaSuction. Suck the yuck out of your pores. So we figured 20 bucks. I've been having a little bit of problems with some mild acne, even though I'm an older person. Uh-oh. It's not working the way I wanted it, so just rip it open. The DermaSuction. Directions, replacement sponge filters. Oh, got sponge filters in it. So you gotta buy more. I didn't know that. Let's see, what is it? Let's see if it works right out of the box. Power on. Needs batteries. Wait for it. Alright, I have the right batteries, double A's. What? It works? Wow. That's supposed to suck out the blackheads. Can you see? Whoa, look at that. Just pulls the skin away. It's a little hickey machine. Cool. And I'll have better skin very shortly.